Hello, in front of me I've got Potensic ATOM 2. In this video I'll show you device, description, unboxing and preview. The Potensic ATOM 2 is ultra lightweight, folding sub 249 grams mini drone designed to compete directly with entry to mid-tier drone heavyweights. It targets both beginners looking for an easy-to-fly platform and content creators needing a high, portable, regulation-friendly camera drone. Because it weighs under 249 grams, it bypasses the strict restriction requirements mandated by civil aviation authorities like FAA in the US for recreational flights, making it highly accessible right out of the box. Let's start with the key design and build. The weight is under 249 grams, including battery, propellers and micro SD card. The drone is compact, folding design that easily fits into the palm of your hand or small pouch. Primarily constructed from mid-weight polymers to maintain its feather-light footprint while retaining solid structural feel. The whole drone comes in the special case. Right here we can find drone and separators for each part. Inside we can find the drone itself, set of 3 batteries, controller, spare screws and screwdriver, and spare wings. We can replace them. There are plenty of wings inside the box. Of course, we can also find charging adapter and necessary cables for connecting your smartphone. You can find one USB-C and one USB-C Lightning for the iPhone. Also, we've got the USB cord for charging the batteries. Let's take a look at the specification of this controller. The controller and drone are equipped with half-inch Sony CMOS sensor with bright 1.8 aperture. It shoots up to 4K at 30 fps HDR or 180p at 60 fps. The drone is capable of 48 megapixel stills, supporting both JPEG and RAW formats for deep post-production grading. It can also piece together 8K equivalent high-resolution panoramas. The drone is equipped with full 3-axis mechanical gimbal that eliminates jitter and smooths out footage during windy or high-speed maneuvers. It features flat P-Log color profile and AI night mode for reduced noise in low light, and defog mode to clear up hazy landscapes. Native options are installed on this drone to crop or capture content formatted for modern social media platforms like vertical shooting mode. Let's talk about flight performance and connectivity. The drone can fly up to 32 minutes on single installment flight battery. The Flymoor combo comes with parallel hub capable of charging 3 batteries simultaneously in about 1.3 hours. Drone is powered by PICSYNC 4.0, providing robust control and live feed distance of up to 10 kilometers, approximately 6.2 miles under optimal conditions. It pumps a clean 1080p 30 fps Full HD live view directly to your smartphone app with low latency of approximately 120 milliseconds. Max horizontal speed is up to 35.8 miles per hour, 60 meters per second, in sport mode, backed by level 5 wind resistance up to 23.6 miles per hour, 38 km per hour. The drone integrates multi-satellite system, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BeiDou for a 40% upgrade in location precision over older iterations. Potensic ATOM 2 drone is equipped with features locking mechanics to auto-follow subjects using modes like Spotlight, Follow and Parallel. Pre-programmed automated cinematic movements including dolly zoom, pull away, rocket, circle, spiral and boomerang AI quick shots via the dedicated app. The drone has built-in remote ID compliance, auto takeoff landing, cruise control and smart return to home with dynamic home point tracker if the connection dips or the battery drop low. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.